Have you ever wondered what these spots that blight our pavements are? It's not tar, but it's something just as disgusting. It's discarded chewing gum. The problem is so serious that politicians have even debated taxing chewing gum. And it's not just the UK, it's a worldwide problem. Almost anywhere you go, you'll find chewing gum on the streets. Unimaginable quantities of chewing gum are consumed worldwide every day. Part of this mountain of gum is carelessly thrown away on the pavements and streets of cities and towns everywhere. But there is an easy solution to this sticky problem. Who are you going to call? Gum busters! Following the introduction of the original innovative gum-busting system, Gumbusters is back with another world first, a battery-operated chewing gum removal machine, the GB1. The GB1 brings the original Gumbusters technology bang up to date. It's the world's first battery-powered machine for gum removal, and it's already making its mark busting gum across the UK. The GB1 gets to work almost instantly. The removal of the chewing gum using the Gumbusters range is reliant on heat. Chewing gum is heat sensitive, and the steam immediately softens the gum on contact, which allows the chemical to penetrate it. Together with a light agitation by the operator with a brass brush, the gum is transformed into a powder, which is simply brushed away. The entire process only takes about 3 seconds. Job done. Gum busted. The GB1 is totally environmentally friendly, using less than 10 litres of our specially formulated chemical and water mix each day. Because it's battery powered, the machine is so quiet that we had to fit a warning beacon to make people aware that machinery is in use. We even designed the machine with the operator in mind. With simple controls, the GB1 is easy to operate. The large wheels mean it's easily transportable, and the handle is lightweight and flexible and has been ergonomically designed to reduce repetitive strain injuries. No flammables, no noisy generators, no training leads, no expensive consumables. Simply charge the GB1 overnight and the machine is ready for action, working up to 6 hours per day, every day. The GB1, building on an already impressive lineup. So for gum problems, who are you going to call? Gum busters!